Hey everyone, so in this video I'm gonna show you guys the filter method. So I haven't deleted the code that I used last time, so I'm simply going to copy this one. So you already know how to use the short key of copy. You just press Alt plus Shift plus down arrow and the copy will be done. So this one is filter method. So filter method, in the filter method I have the same array 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and here I wanna say instead of map I will use filter. And so let's comment this one out. So instead of map I'm gonna use filter, and in the filter I'm gonna write what can I write? I can just write less than 30. So any value that is less than 30 will be in the array2 array. So if I just save this one, I will only have 10 and 20. So you can see I have 10 over here, 20 over here, and these are the value that is less than 30. And I can do the opposite as well, item greater than 30, so it will show only 40 and 50. So if I just save this one, you can see 40 and 50. So filter method is actually an amazing method when you are using and you just wanna filter some stuff out. You just wanna filter stuff from your array. You can just use this method, and each method has its own functionality. So in the coding environment, you can use whatever you want according to your need. So that is how the filter works. I could write this whole lines again, but as I had already over here, that's why I did not write anymore. So yeah, you understood. In the filter, you just take that item and you pass some sort of filtering method. In this case I wanna see all the values that is greater than 30. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.